how to change the speed of your voice without changing the pitch or sounding like a chipmunk. Hi everyone, my name is Saad, and in this video we are going to see that if you want to change the speed of your vocals but you don't want to change the pitch, or the problem in most of the softwares is you sound like a chipmunk, so how we can avoid that in Audacity. So let's see. So this is my current recording without any editing. So as we can see, this is my normal voice. So what we can do is just try a couple of options. Now, most of the people, to increase the speed of the speech, they try to use the effect. And what they do is just go to the effect, they go to pitch and tempo, and they use this change speed and pitch. So what they do is, let's say they increase the speed of the speech by 50%. So let's say 50% or 25% right here. So it will do the multiplier like this. So let's say I want to increase it to 50%. Now when we apply this, the problem is it will sound like a chipmunk. So how we can solve that? Now instead of increasing the speed like this, what we'll do is just go to the effect here and go to the same area, but this time we will use change tempo. Now what change tempo does is it will maintain the original pitch or the voice style, and you can just head over to the percentage change, and let's say you want to make it 1.5x, increase the speed of the vocal. So just change it to 50% and click on apply, and you will notice that it is sounding exactly the same, only the speech tempo has changed. So this is how you do it. Now guys, if you found this video helpful, just give it a like and comment down below if this works for you, and I will see you in the next one.